Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our second alternate card using elements from the December 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So grab a beverage of choice. This one's probably going to be about 15 minutes, but it is well worth it. So what have we got? I've got a Night of Navy card base with a piece of basic white and a strip that I've cut off of here to make this 5 1/4 by 4. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to build the inside, because otherwise I will get to the end and I'll be so excited I will forget. So this is just the 1/4 inch with it trimmed down to 5 1/4. So there we go. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. And then we're just going to pop some adhesive on there. And this is just a 5 1/4 by 4, and we're going to pop it on the inside of the card. So just like that, we've got the inside of the card done. Now, we are going to do almost like a pinwheel kind of idea with the front. I've got one of the card bases cut down to 5 1/4 by 4. And we are going to cut it at 2, cut it at 2 5/8, and then subcut all of those pieces. And you can cut it this way or cut it this way. It really doesn't matter. And then we're going to put it back together. So let's get cutting, and then we can build this card. Okay, so we're going to cut it at 2. We're basically cutting the card into quarters. So we'll cut it at 2. And then each of these we cut at 2 5/8. So that's 2 1/2. So 2 5/8 is right there. So give that a cut. And these pieces should all be the same size. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these, and I'm just going to cut them corner to corner by putting each corner in the trough and then cutting it. So that's one subcut, the second subcut. All of these are going to go back together again, just in a different order. Okay, so then we're going to subcut these. There we go. And subcut this one. Okay, there we go. All right, that's all of our cutting done. So let's take all of our pieces, and now let's build our card. So let's just plan this out. So we're going to put one piece like this, one piece like this, and then we're going to put another piece like this and like this. And then we're going to do this. Let's work out how we're going to do this. We're going to do this way. Actually, I want to do this. So we're going to do this way, and then we're going to do this way. And then we're going to do this way and this way. There we go. That's how this is going to go back together. So we are just going to pop all of this down. And because I cut this to 5 1/4 by 4, we're going to have that border all the way around the edge. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm just going to put some adhesive on this piece and layer it on, just like this. Okay, and I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep adding my pieces. Just like this. And layer this right next to it, like that. And then we're going to add this piece. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to do the same for the top half. I just started in one spot because it was easier to keep it all kind of organized. So we're going to pop this down like that. And then this one, whoops, like this. Just lining up those corners. And then we're going to pop this one down. And you can mix and match and put these however you like. There's really no right or wrong answer to this. It's just how you want it to look. So this is what you end up with. Like that. So instead of having your card front look like that, you get this really nice kind of choppy effect. And I'm going to use my Night of Navy and the thank you from the kit. And we're just going to ink this up. And I didn't Versamark it first, so I'm probably going to end up with a little bit of staining. I'm going to pop that down like that. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back here. And we're going to pop this onto the vellum piece. You probably can't see the vellum very well. We're just going to pop that on like that. There we go. And then I'm going to add one of the flower pieces here. And we're going to use a small dimensional for this. And we're going to pop this dimensional on like that. There we go. Oh, I'm really thrilled with how this one has turned out. And I'm going to pop that down like that, just like that. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put adhesive on the back. And we're going to pop this down. This has come out kind of a little bit skew or crooked. But you can absolutely, if you want to peel the pieces up and redo it, you can. But I am just going to carry on. I like the kind of the mosaic-y effect of this. And then I have got some of the charming shimmer faceted gems, and I'm just going to pop a couple of these of the Night of Navy ones down just to add a little bit of interest. And let's pop another one just up here like this. There we go. So that is our second alternate card using elements from the 2025 December Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another alternate tomorrow.